Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's topic is plant hormones. Plant hormones. Plant hormones are also called as phytohormones or growth regulators. Now, what are plant hormones? Plant hormones are organic compounds. Organic compounds synthesized in one pot wherein very low concentration it is translocated to another pot and causes physiological response. That means a plant hormone is an organic compound which is synthesized in one pot in a very low concentration. This is very important, and is translocated to another part and causes physiological response. For example, this is a plant. This is root system and this is shoot system. If a plant hormone, for example, auxin, is synthesized in the root and it is translocated into the shoot, into the system, and here it causes phototropism, chemotropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, photoperiodism, etc. That is physiological response. That is, it is synthesized in the root and is translocated through vascular tissues, that is xylem and phloem, to the shoot, and in the shoot it causes various physiological response. So it is a plant hormone. Another is very low concentration, means a hormone must be present in a very low concentration. That means it should cause physiological responses below 1 micrometer. Though substances like sucrose, potassium chloride, they also cause physiological responses, but they cause physiological responses at a very higher concentration, so they are not hormones. Now, what are the various classes of plant hormones? Number first is auxin, then it is gibberellin or gibberellic acid, then cytokinins, then ethylene, then abscisic acid. Number 6 is brasinosteroids. Number 7 is polyamines. Number 8 is chromatic acid. Number 9 is jasmonic acid. These are plant hormones or phytohormones. First of all, we will take the physiological role of auxin. Because it was the first plant hormone discovered, so we will take the physiological role played by auxin. Number first is cell elongation. Number second is parthenocarpy. Number third is increase in the rate of respiration. Number 4, callus formation. Removal of weeds. Number F is induces rooting in stem. These are certain physiological rules played by auxin. Number first is cell elongation. Auxin elongates the cell by synthesizing certain proteins, enzymes, and specific type of RNA. For example, if this is a cell, original cell, and here comes the oxygen, then it will become like this. That means there occurs elongation of cell by synthesizing certain hormones, certain substances like RNA, proteins, and such. Then there is parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy means formation of seedless fruits. Formation of seedless fruits. Oxygen induces parthenocarpy in certain fruits like grapes, orange, banana, and straw. There increase in the rate of respiration. Oxygen induces the rate of respiration by increasing the concentration of ATP from ADP. That is conversion of ADP more into ATP. Then callus formation. Callus means unorganized mass of parenchyma. Unorganized mass of parenchyma which is formed during tissue culture. This callus formation is induced by oxygen. Then removal of weeds. Various types of weeds are eradicated with the help of oxygens like 2,4-D. Then it induces rooting in stem cutting. In tissue culture, there is a mass of tissues called as callus. When we put two sets of hormones, namely auxin and cytokinin, then it will induce rooting as well as shooting. If we induce auxin here, then it induces rooting in the callus. It also induces rooting in stem cutting. Example, rose stem cutting. Another physiological response is apical dominance. It induces the phenomenon of apical dominance. If this is a plant, and this is apical bud, and this is a lateral bud. When the apical bud, growth of apical bud is promoted as compared to this lateral bud, that means there is suppression of this lateral bud, and there is promotion of the growth of this apical bud. It is called as apical dominance. This apical dominance is induced by auxin, and it is counteracted by a hormone called as cytokinin. It was a brief account about plant hormones. Thank you.